Ministries, raising disciples across Asia. Restoration Ministries is making a powerful impact across Asia by planting Bible schools and equipping everyday believers to share the life-changing message of the gospel. What began as a vision to train and empower local Christians has now grown into a movement that is touching nations. In India, one of the world's most diverse nations, with its multitude of languages, cultures, foods, and traditions, Restoration has established a strong network of Bible schools, stretching from the southernmost regions to the far north. Restoration's Bible schools in North India are experiencing remarkable growth as more young people commit themselves to ministry. Students are showing a deep hunger for one-to-one evangelism in their local communities. This surge of dedication comes in some of India's hardest places for the gospel. Several northern states enforce strict anti-conversion laws, with punishments that can extend to life imprisonment. Restoration Ministries has also established Bible schools in Bangladesh, a nation where Christians make up only a small minority. Despite the challenges of operating in a predominantly Muslim context, the ministry remains steadfast in its mission. Through a spirit-filled curriculum, Restoration is equipping believers to stand firm in their faith and to share the gospel with wisdom and courage. Leaders see the school as a vital step in nurturing local disciples who can bring Christ's light into communities often unreached by the message of salvation. Restoration's Bible schools are at the heart of its ministry in Pakistan, where more than 100 students are being trained and equipped for gospel service. Beyond this, Restoration is actively involved in gospel meetings. The ministry is also extending Christ's compassion in practical ways, working to redeem families trapped in bonded labor at brick kilns.
When you are standing with faith, your life will not be the same.
इनके गले पर क्या थी? गिल्टी थी। कितनी देर से? एक माह से। कितनी बड़ी गिल्टी थी? इतनी बड़ी।
Restoration calls for your support. Restoration urgently seeks your partnership in Asia's mission fields, establishing Bible schools, leading gospel crusades, and rescuing men, women, and children from the grip of bonded labor. Together, we can bring freedom, hope, and the power of the gospel where it is needed most. A big thank you for your support.